the beauty of the morning glory. We're going to check out the basil that has gone to seed. And if you can't tell by the double harness shoulder strap and the safety glasses, I got kidnapped into this while I was in the midst of something else. But we'll get into that later. Almost broke the suspension down on it. And I'll leave it up to you. We can cut them off like that and let the rest of them ripen and go to seed and this, that, and the other. Or I'll whack it. You be pondering on which way you'd rather do it. I love them beautiful morning glories, don't you? Cut a couple in half and just make sure that we send those off to the septic tank tomorrow. If you've not caught that yet, that basically means we'll eat them tonight. think what of it I didn't get spring brought it in. Fall will take it out. What do you think? Did you show the bountiful harvest off? You know anything about the climate and the zone we're in, you'll figure out this bountiful harvest is just us cleaning the scrap up at the end of the season. Whew. Now I'll catch my breath. You know, actually we joked around about the cart, just to be kind of funny, but if you look at the little basket, that is not bad for, I had 2 Brussels sprout plants in my little 2x4 garden. And how many did you have?
4.
4?
3 only made sprouts, so.
Okay, so we had 3 buried in amongst, well, 4. 1 didn't do anything. So basically we had 3 buried in amongst the tomatoes and what are those things, mangoes? So they were totally shaded out, and then 2 out here. So essentially you're looking at the Brussels sprouts that came off of 5 plants. I think we done pretty well. Now for dinner.